ClickOnCare.com.
Hi friends, this is Ankita from ClickOnCare, back again with a new video. Today I'm going to talk about stretch marks, scars, dark spots, uneven skin tone and many other problems, and how by using ManneQuin's Vitamin E Skin Oil you can remove it or you can lessen the spots. But before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so, and while you're there, don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss the video of it from ClickOnCare. Vitamin E Skin Oil is very effective, and it's effective if you have a stretch marks, scars, skin aging, dehydration and uneven skin tone. It removes it all very quickly and very easily. And this is marketed by ManneQuin's Cosmetic Limited. And there are two variants of this product. It comes in a 100 ml and a 250 ml bottle. If I unbox this, this is how it looks like. The main benefit of these products is it reduces all the spots or the marks which you have in your body, and it has many kind of beneficial or nice oil like almond oil, vitamin skin oil, and it tones your skin and it's very effective. Using this product is very easy. Apply it where required and massage it properly, and if required, apply it twice or thrice. And as per your requirement, this is very effective. And this is ideally used for if you are a gymmer, an athlete, a pregnant woman, a swimmer, a model. You will love to use this product, and even other women can use it if you have stretch marks and all. So guys, this is it for today. If you like this video, like, share and comment down below. And if you want me to review about any other product, write a one-liner in the comment box. So guys, and if you want to purchase this product, you can visit our site www.ClickOnCare.com, or else you'll get a link in the description box. Thank you.
ClickOnCare.com, the largest online cosmeceutical, dermacare and nutrition store.
Now on Android and